In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in GnuCash. Now first, you want to go to the Edit tab top left and then click on Preferences. From here, you want to go to Accounts, and then under Default Currency, you can see by default it's going to be on US dollar, USD, at least for me. And then you can choose over here, click on Choose, and set new currency. So for example, I can scroll down and choose any of these over here on the list. So just for this example, we're just going to do something random over here. For example, ZAR. There we go. I can click on Close, and it's been changed. If you want to change the currency for a specific account, you want to right click on that account and click on Edit Account. And now from here, you want to go to over here General, and it says Security or Currency. Just go and select it, and then from Currency switch to a different one. Like for example, let's just find one over here. We're just going to do ZAR again because it's down here. There we go. Click on that, OK. And if I click OK again, as you can see, it's changed the currency. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.